Watercress is a leafy green vegetable that has a slightly spicy, mustard-like flavor. It can be eaten raw in salads, sandwiches, and wraps, or it can be cooked in soups, stews, and sautés. Some popular dishes that contain watercress include watercress salad. Watercress is often combined with other salad greens and tossed with a simple vinaigrette dressing. Watercress soup. Watercress is blended with chicken or vegetable broth to create a creamy, flavorful soup. Watercress sandwiches. Watercress can be used as a topping on sandwiches, either alone or in combination with other ingredients such as cheese, meats, or spreads. Watercress pesto. Watercress can be blended with nuts, cheese, and olive oil to create a flavorful pesto sauce that can be used on pasta, sandwiches, or as a dip. Watercress and goat cheese tart. Watercress is often paired with creamy goat cheese in savory tarts or quiches. Overall, watercress is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes to add flavor and nutrition. How else do you use watercress? Let us know below.